Hello dreamers, and welcome to a new tutorial. For this video, we'll be learning how to make the panel crochet denim pants. This is my second time making these pants, and I'm so excited to show you how I made them. Here are all the materials that you need to start this project. I would definitely recommend a pair of denim pants that are really too small and really skinny and straight. And these pants were a great choice. Now these pants were a little bit too long for me, and I kind of wanted a summer look. So I cut them a bit shorter so I can have a cropped pant look. Now that I cut them, let's get started. With your scissors, you're going to cut open the side of both sides of the pants. You're going to cut them until they're fully open. Once both sides of the pants are completely open, you're going to measure both sides to see the length of the pants. That's how long you want your squares to be. Now we're going to make the squares. They're going to be 2 round of HDC cluster stitches. I used 2 colors for mine. I used peaches and cream yarn for this, which is a cotton-based yarn, which is great for the summertime because the length of my pants were 30 inches, so I made 10 for each side. I made a total of 10 granny squares for both sides of the pants, and then I attached them in one long row using my yarn needle and yarn. And then I single crocheted around the entire piece only one time. And now it's time to attach the squares. And you can use any method you want. You can use a sewing method, or you can use really strong fabric adhesive like this liquid stitch, applying it to the denim and then placing the squares right on top, pressing them firmly together, allowing them to dry. Or you can hand sew them, guiding the needle and thread through each of those single crochet stitches. Either method is completely fine. Continue this attachment for the entire pant leg for both openings until both sides are connected and ready to go. Now you can try on your pants to see how they fit. This section is to create more fit for the waistband. You can try on your pants to see how they fit around the waistband. So I use this method to create a decrease for the waistband. It's just an extra option in order to create a more secure waistband fit. Another option for the waistband is to create belt loops. So you'll be creating 2 loops to go over the squares as if they were belt loops. And what I did is I just recreated the belt loops that were already on the denim to emulate and create the same ones. So I just chained to the amount and I single crocheted for 1 row. The belt loops will be attached to the middle. I attach with my yarn needle the top stitch and the bottom stitch of the belt loop. And you just want to align your belt loop just like the other ones. And there you have it. Now you have belt loops. Now you'll be attaching fabric to the interior of the pants. You'll be attaching the fabric right over the squares. And you kind of want to cut enough so that the fabric goes over onto the denim as well. And you can use fabric adhesive to attach the fabric to the squares and to the outside of the denim. And now the squares will be secure. And now you're completely done.